Enabling the Show Desktop button in the Windows 11 taskbar is a simple process. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to enable Show Desktop button in taskbar. So for you to be able to do that, you have to right click on the empty space on the Windows 11 taskbar. Once you do that, from the context menu that appears, select the taskbar settings, which is the alternative. Then you can now navigate manually by opening the settings, click on the personalization and then select taskbar. Once you do that, in the taskbar settings window, scroll down to file, find the taskbar behaviors section, then click on it to expand the option available. Once you do that, look for the option labeled, select the far corners of the taskbar to show the desktop. Once you do that, ensure that the option is checked. This will enable the Show Desktop button at the corner of the taskbar. Once you do that, after enabling the option, move your cursor to the far right end of the taskbar. Then you should now see a thin or a transparent segment appear when you hover it. This is the restored Show Desktop button. Once you do that, you can now restart your PC, or you can also try and close all the window, then restart your computer, and this will apply all the changes effectively. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and subscribe for more. Thank you.